Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I have immunity booster juice which is full of vitamin C and many minerals. So we need one bunch of celery, 2 apples, ginger and half lemon juice. So I'm going to add everything to the juicer. Now the celery is also known as Ajmod in India. It's very healthy, it's full of vitamin C and vitamin A. And apple it just help to reduce the bitter taste of celery. And I'm going to use half lime's lemon juice. And here we go. This is immunity booster juice is ready. Drink this every day, especially in this season right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.